Hey everyone! So if Roblox keep kicking you out on your phone, don't worry, this video will show you the final solution to fix this step by step. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your settings. Inside settings, you want to go ahead and tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Inside here, search for Roblox and then tap onto it. So once you're inside this kind of interface, simply tap on Upload app, then tap on Upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by Roblox and will also help you to clear the cache. Once you have done that, go ahead and tap on Reinstall the app right over here. So you have to make sure you have enough storage on your phone. Roblox needs free space to run smoothly, so clear unused apps or large file if you are running low. After that, head back to your home screen, open up your app store and then search for Roblox. So once you have searched for it, go ahead and tap onto it. And if you see update instead of open, you want to go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. So once you have updated it, head back to your home screen and make sure you're using a stable Wi-Fi connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi connection can also cause Roblox to kick you out. So try switching between Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see which is more stable. And after that, if the issue still persists, go ahead and restart your device. Doing so will clear the background glitches and can refresh the system for better performance. And if nothing works, you want to go ahead and simply long press on Roblox, tap on remove app, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again. After you have uninstalled Roblox from your device, you want to go ahead and visit the App Store again and reinstall Roblox from there. This gives you a fresh setup and fixes corrupted installation issue. Also avoid using VPN or cheat tools. They can trigger Roblox security system and get you kicked automatically. And that is simply how you can fix Roblox mobile kicking you out. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.